The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting foldable phones yet, and a new leak has just given us a major reason to be excited. Samsung has been working on making foldable displays better for years, and now, according to fresh reports, they may have finally made a breakthrough in reducing that annoying crease. If you've ever used a flip phone before, you know exactly what we're talking about. The crease in the middle of the display is one of the biggest complaints users have had with foldables. While the Galaxy Z Flip 6 made some improvements, it was still there and noticeable, especially under bright lighting. But if the latest leaks are accurate, the Z Flip 7 might bring us the closest we've ever been to a truly seamless foldable display. This leak comes from a source on X, formerly Twitter, who claims that Samsung has made major advancements in its hinge technology. While it's unlikely that the crease will disappear entirely, it will reportedly be much less noticeable. This is a big deal for users who find it distracting when scrolling, watching videos, or playing games. But that's not the only exciting change. Another major upgrade could come in the form of Samsung's ProScaler technology, which was first introduced on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This feature enhances display quality in real time, making images and videos sharper and more vibrant. If Samsung brings this to the Flip 7, it could make for the best looking foldable screen we've ever seen. Samsung may also introduce a new flexible glass material, making the screen even more durable. Foldable screens are known to be more fragile than traditional smartphone displays, so a stronger material could help prevent scratches and cracks, giving users more confidence when using the device. However, beyond these display improvements, the rest of the Z Flip 7's upgrades might be minor. The phone is expected to keep a similar design with only slight refinements to make it thinner and lighter. The cameras might not see a major upgrade either, which could be disappointing for users who were hoping for improved photography. Samsung's foldables have never had the best camera hardware compared to its flagship S series, and it seems like that trend will continue. One area of concern is the processor. The Z Flip 7 is rumored to use Samsung's in-house Exynos 2500 chip instead of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Snapdragon 8 Elite. While the Exynos 2500 is expected to offer solid performance, some users might be skeptical about its efficiency and power compared to Qualcomm's chips, which have generally been preferred in past Samsung flagships. Battery life and thermal management will be key factors in determining how well this processor performs in the real world. Charging speed is another possible downside. The Flip 7 is expected to stick with 25-watt wired charging, the same as its predecessor. While this is fine for regular smartphones, it's starting to feel slow compared to some competitors, especially when brands like OnePlus and Xiaomi are offering much faster charging speeds. If you're someone who wants to quickly top up your phone's battery, this might be a bit of a letdown. On the software side, Samsung is expected to introduce new AI-powered features. AI is becoming a huge trend in the smartphone industry, with companies promising smarter photography, enhanced performance, and improved user experiences. However, it remains to be seen whether these AI features will truly be useful, or just another marketing gimmick. So, what does all of this mean for Samsung's next foldable? Right now, the Z Flip 7 seems to be more of a refinement rather than a complete overhaul. The reduced crease, better display quality, and potential durability improvements could be big selling points, but if the phone lacks other major upgrades, it may not feel like a must-have upgrade for existing Flip users. Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest in tech. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.